for all those wondering how to use the new UK version of the Mounjaro Kwikpen. Get it to the room temperature, take the top off, making sure you've got clean hands. Screw it in, nice and firm. Prime it to the first click. Make sure you get a couple of drops out. Then twist it all the way around. Till you get to number 1. Now after cleaning off an area, I've been using my leg. Insert. And press. So unlike Wegovy, which just clicks in by itself, this needs an actual press until you're down to 0. Keep it in for about 10 seconds, then straight out. Nice little happy drop of blood, shows that it did actually go in. Once done, make sure you put your top back on as always. Take off the old needle. Put your top back on. I've been storing mine in the fridge.